What it do, world? It's Zay. Doing the So Gone challenge, you know what I'm saying? I got my babies with me, you know what I'm saying? They're my ladies right there, you heard me? Let's get to it. Yo. Why so young, I had to witness my dog close the casket. I was born Memphis in May, more like March Madness. I was asked why my rhyme speaks such sadness, poverty and restricted environments and strong hard habits. Lost in the sauce, trying to ride the currency. I got 3 daughters now, so it's more than me. Not getting no younger, I feel a sense of urgency. I grew up 15 deep, so at times I enjoy privacy. I lost my brother, I lost him in the coldest way. I miss Ashley, when she died I felt me levitate. I changed the beat, so I felt I set the bar today. I cut no corners like the young homie Cassius Clay. Feeling myself, this more than just a masturbate. Smoking that Tony the Tiger, homie, I'm feeling great. Your day not going as planned, then put Zay in rotate. We gon' make it, y'all, fuck what them haters say. Condolences to the family that lost their child today. But life goes on, that's what my Uncle Parker say. Watch your step, broken syringes in the hallways. Can't stop God playing, there's more than just you and me. Kato died, my mind was in a total wreck. I seen my dog a few hours before he had that wreck. Goat died, I was only 14. Cold world, burnt his truck and club on the green. My stomach growling, shot fired and the dogs barking. Enough of us in one home to fit 3 small apartments. Cocaine Wayne got 15 for double parking. Knew it was over when they found it in his drug apartment. If you're bright, stay out of sight when it start to darken. You got Emma, watch your manners. I beg your pardon. Yeah, I beg your pardon. It's Zay, man. This Zay, bro. You feel me? I got my ladies with me. You know what I'm saying? Say hey, you know what I'm saying? We so gone. RIP to everybody that lost somebody, you feel me? Yeah, and you, man.